Hi everybody, this is Aunt Cheryl and I want to do a video for prepping for beginners, and we're going to focus on some food. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is seasonings. We've got salt, pepper, we've got a variety of seasonings there. Those can be used for all kinds of things, so don't forget your seasonings. Next category is milk. We have non-fat dry milk here. There's also evaporated milk, and don't forget sweetened condensed milk. Those come in handy for a lot of different things. You need to keep those on hand. Great for a power outage if you can't store your regular milk. Breakfast. We have flavored oatmeal packets here. Perfect. Easy to fix. If you're using regular oatmeal or rice, you can add dried fruit and really make it tasty, and you can get all different flavors of these. Also, don't forget your pancakes and your pancake mix and your syrup. Those are also good ones. Next category is meat. You can get a variety of canned meat, ham, chicken, tuna. You can get these spreads right here. And canned meats like this, treats, Spam, that kind of stuff. That can of ham costs about $3. Okay, you can also get these packets. And don't forget crackers to go along with this. A package of this and some crackers makes an excellent snack. It's going to fill your belly up a little bit. All right, don't forget canned goods. There is so many canned goods. You got your vegetables, you got your soups, your canned beans. The list goes on and on. Don't forget canned goods. And you can take like a can of beef stew and a package of rice. You've got a meal that'll feed a family of 4. Don't forget your sauces for your pastas. Also can be used for rice. And then, of course, your standby peanut butter and jelly. We will be showing a video on how to make Indian fry bread, so you can use that to make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Next category is a big one. We've got potatoes, pastas, noodles, rice, okay? This pepper gravy, you can get that at Dollar General for $1. There's all kinds of flavors and brands of mashed potatoes. You can get rice and pasta dishes. You can get the macaroni and cheese and the spaghetti. Now, on the macaroni and cheese, this particular one needs milk. We go back over here. There's your milk, okay? However, instead of getting this, you can also get this one that has the packet of sauce and the cheese sauce, so you don't have to worry about using milk. All right, don't forget your ramen noodles, your bouillon cubes. Your bouillon cubes are perfect for cooking with, but also they're good for drinking if someone is not feeling well. So keep those on hand. Along with that is your soup mixes. Don't forget those. Then we have quinoa and couscous. Okay, and of course mashed potatoes. Next category is beans and rice. Now, I just have a few things showing here, but you can get a variety of beans and dried rice and peas and stuff. These bags here cost between $1 and $1.50 a bag. This one here is, I actually got that on clearance, and it's flavored with ham. So there you go. Now, the last category is drinks. Now, we've got some different teas. We've got instant coffee. We have flavor pouches that go in your bottles of water, and of course hot chocolate. Okay, so this is just some of the ideas of things that you can get that will help you stock up your foods. All right, you all have a nice day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.